So let's cook our delicious spaghetti. You will love this one. So welcome to Cook with Grace Kiswi. So in today's video, I'm making spaghetti. Yeah, this is how I spent my Sunday. I hope you enjoy yours and I hope you love the method in which I cook this spaghetti. So let's continue. So after boiling the spaghetti, you keep it aside, and in a frying pan of oil, I add my chopped onions, allow it to fry, bring out that flavor. Then I add my ginger and garlic paste, then mix and allow it to fry for a while. If today is your first time watching this page or coming across this page, you're welcome. This is Cook with Grace Kiswi. So let's continue. So I add my then a blended fresh tomato mixed with a sachet of tomato and I stir together. Please don't forget that cleanliness is next to godliness. Always keep your environment neat. And please tell us where you're watching me from so that in my next video I could send you a hug. Thank you for always watching Cook with Grace Kiswi. So let's continue. After frying for about 5 to 10 minutes, I remember I have a leftover stew in my freezer, so I bring it and I add it. That was the remaining stew I used to make Niger jollof. After that, I add my seasoning, add my fresh pepper, add my Maggi seasoning, and I mix. After that, I boiled my egg and I use my fork to chook in between and dump them inside the tomato sauce so that it will absorb that tomato juice inside. So after that, the next thing I did was to bring out my cook spaghetti and I add to it. And after adding it, the next thing I did was to bring my crayfish. I add my blended crayfish, but I didn't blend it smoothly but roughly. Then I added a little hot water. Then the next thing I did was I start turning. You turn or mix properly, slow and steady. Yes, with that egg on it, I mix gently. I hope you are loving the recipe. So after mixing it properly, I allowed it and cover it, allow it to heat for 5 to 10 minutes. And guys, our spaghetti is ready. A very fast and easy one that you can make at home and your family will enjoy. I hope you love this recipe and you'll be giving it a try. I love you guys and see you guys in my next video. Mwah! The spaghetti takes yummy. Bye.